Now welcome to explanation of our first packing instructions, and we classify this as figure 1. Now in figure 1 we have a display, three-dimensional display of the carton. We were instructed in A that the cartons should be packed with their length against the width of the container. And as we can see, these are all the lengths of the cartons: AB, DC, EF, and HG. Now let us look at the width of the given carton: EH, AD, BC, and FG. And the heights are CG, BF, DH, and AE. Now, as we were instructed to do so in A, we got some additional instructions in B. And so we have a second packing set of instructions, and we classify those in figure 2, as you can see. Now, we were instructed in B that we should remove these cartons which were packed upright, and we are going to pack them on their sides instead of upright and put them back into the container. Now, let us look at the length again. The length, as we said, are all displayed here, but once we turn the cartons on their sides, initially where AB was, AB would move over to where CD was. CD would take the place of GH on the floor, and likewise HG would replace EF, and EF would be on top because we would have turned it over on the side. So AB would be turned over. Now let us look at the height and the width, because what we realize is that the length would not have been affected. Now let us look at the height. Initially the height was CG 0.15 meters. When we turn this on the side, CG is no longer upright, but CG has turned into the new width, as you can see. So CG being 0.15 would be the new width. So we see where the initial height is now the new width, which is CG, HD, EA, and FB. Likewise, we see where the initial width, now once it is turned over, EH is no longer on the ground, but now EH has become the new height. And the new height is now 0.25. And so we can see, as soon as you follow the instructions given in B, that you're going to now turn these cartons on their side, what persists is no change in length, because the length remains the same as it is turned on the side. But what was initially your height has now become your new width, and what was initially your width has become your new height. Hope this is enough explanation. Thank you.